The International Young Chef Olympiad (YCO), the biggest such event in the world with young chefs from 53 countries participating, is the high point in the annual event calendar of the International Institute of Hotel Management (IIHM), headquartered in Kolkata. In its 9th year now, the current edition of YCO is underway at the IIHM Global Campus at Salt Lake in Kolkata.
So this competition is like a little over 50 states. I believe it's 53 for this year. And we're all in India right now competing, the intensity, all trying to win the Young Chef Olympiad. So everybody's trying to take that home to their country and everybody's just trying to impress. So the intensity's there, it's amazing, and everybody's just at this whole nother level and we're all trying to compete.
How are you feeling during the cooking?
So during the cooking, it's intense, 100% so intense, because you're trying not to get in your head. You don't want to look up, you don't want to look at anybody else's station because you start to second guess, and you try not to talk to anybody else because you don't want to second guess then. But when you're competing, it's this whole nother level because it's not like real cooking. Especially because right now we're also being told some of the stuff to cook. So it's very difficult, and it's difficult coming from different countries and the difference in ingredients, and you can see the stress that it puts on some people when things are not working like how it worked every time that they were training in their own country. So it's that mix of this nervousness, your stomach feels like it's just gonna bottom out, but it's this excitement too. It's all this adrenaline that comes in, and just staring at the clock trying to get everything done in time.
I'm Chef Enzo Oliveri. I'm Italian, but I live in London. I have a few restaurants there, and I'm involved with the YCO for 8 years now, and it's a great opportunity to be here. My role is a judge. Now I'm a senior judge, and yesterday I had the opportunity to be a adjudicator. Adjudicator is in charge of a whole competition in Hyderabad, and it was a great opportunity to be there and judge and make sure that everybody had the right result and everything was fair.
So, to explain to me what this event is, because imagine that obviously we're here, we know what it is, but imagine someone watching it has no idea what this event is. Start from the beginning. What is YCO? What is the Young Chef Youth Olympiads?
YCO, the Young Chef Olympiad, it was born to give an opportunity to young generation of hospitality, because there is nothing like that gives the opportunity to this younger generation of chefs to be chefs of the world, chefs that they can travel, chefs that they can see what is all about and grow from there. It's an opportunity to travel, to meet people from all over the world, to see food from all over the world, and perform and compete with the best chefs around the world.
First, I just go for training just for a month. Yeah, so go for if I can enter to top 20, yeah, that's fine.
Do you want to win?
Yeah, of course, but according to my training period, just have fun, enjoy. Yeah.
But for you personally, is losing an option? Do you want to lose?
Yeah, losing is a part of the journey. Yep. And losing is the start to give us experience, and we can gain more experience, then we can win in the future.
To me, cooking is not just something that I do as an occupation. It's a passion which I got from my mother, because my mother is into catering also. So I picked it up from her, and I've been doing it for many years. To me, cooking is not just something that I'm doing to gain as an occupation, but it's a passion for me because I've been doing it for many years. I started cooking with my mom. She has a catering company, so I've been doing it ever since I was like small.
I mean, surely food can't be a passion, right?
Well, it is for me, so yeah.
And so do you think, is your mum, like, does she inspire you the most? in terms of
Yes,
cooking?
definitely, she does, because I've been cooking with her ever since I was small. Sometimes I didn't like cooking, but then, you know, I grew into it and now I want to do it like for the rest of my life.
And how does it feel to be here at the Young Chef Olympiad?
Oh, being here is like one of the most exciting experiences. It was my first time flying, my first time out of Zimbabwe, and I'm meeting so many people, so many different cultures. It's an amazing experience.
And what would it mean to you if you could win it?
Oh, that would be like mind-blowing. Winning the Young Chef Olympiad would be, it would be crazy because it's not just about, you know, winning, but it's inspiring other people from my country because they now believe that, you know, we can also do this. So I would love to win the Young Chef Olympiad so that I can also inspire other people to win other international competitions or to take part in, you know, what they enjoy doing.
Do you think you can win? Like, how did it go yesterday?
Well, it didn't go as planned, but nothing ever does. So yesterday we were just cooking. Some things were a bit frustrating, but you know, we went with the flow and we were able to serve, and I'm pretty confident.
So cooking means a lot of things. So you get to meet new people, you get to like try their culture and their foods as well. It's an amazing thing because when you're under pressure, you don't think you can do it, but when you obviously do it, you feel like an accomplishment and achievement.
So when you're making a dish for friends, family, what are you looking to do with that food on that plate?
Make it as nice as possible. It's my love language, food, making food for other people.
And was there a particular moment sort of growing up that kind of made you want to be a chef at all?
So when I was like 7, 8 years old, I used to live in Nesebar in Bulgaria. And what we used to do is we used to go fishing for mussels. And that was kind of what sparked the interest.
I love the adrenaline rush during the competition when I step into the competition box, and yeah, I would love to do more. I really love that kind of feeling where many people is watching, and yeah, basically the adrenaline rush. I really love it.
How about when you're getting close to the end?
When I'm close to the end, on my first few competitions, I actually right towards the end when I know that I'm out of time and I'm kind of I know that I'm going to lose. I sort of just slowly give up, you know, in the competition box. That was last time, and then I learned a lot from my past experiences in the competitions.
So the Young Chef Olympiad is something which is just another thing that happened when we thought that we'll do something which nobody else have done it. Because I've seen so many Olympiad. I mean, it's right from the chess Olympiad to the mathematics Olympiad to a science Olympiad, and I used to say, why not a food Olympiad? There are Olympiad for the senior professional chefs, and we have got, of course, master chefs and all kinds of things. But what about for the young people, for the people who are going to be the chefs of tomorrow? I created a property called Young Chef India, Young Chef India School, where I created 30,000 of the students of class 11 and 12 of Indian school to come for a competition, physical competition. And it becomes so popular. We used to have the finals in London, I still remember, and sometime we had a semi-final in Bangkok. And I said that cooking is a life skill. A lot of people think, I want to be a doctor, why should I cook? I don't want to be a chef, why should I cook? But I actually wanted to tell them, just like driving or swimming or cycling, cooking is a life skill and you cannot survive in today's world if you don't know basic cooking skills.